psychological indicator. I put it here, and I am telling the how to use this. Okay, so in the video description you can find the link, and this is the psychological indicator. You can download from here. Click on this and download it, and like this. Many people has issues where the download link and how to download, and download it's not working. Many people asking. So if you have any issues, you can contact me on my Telegram channel. I will share the file directly to you, or the guidance where to download. Click on this and you can download it. There is some first advertisement comes, so skip this. This is the download. You can download. I download already. So when you download it, then first you have to extract, do like this. Okay, and this is the extract folder, and then it's the simple the installation. Simple, go to the file and open the data folder, and this is the open data folder. Go to the MQL4 indicators and open this extracted folder, and select all, copy and paste here in this indicator folder. I already pasted, but I am replacing, but you not find the replace option. Okay, so simple is that. It's now going to the Hookosway or any platform you want to use. Right click here and refresh it. Okay, the simple is this. I'm opening any chart, USD CHF. There is no indicator, so find the type the T and find the psychological. Okay, this is the psychological indicator. Double click on it, and you can wait. You can use, I use 2. Okay, and okay. Okay, how to use this indicator, I'm showing to how to use this indicator. So let's start. I'm opening a highest pairs. So there is, I'm using the indicator, two indicator I'm using. The first is 50 SMA. Style you want any you use. Okay, color, and zigzag is the default setting, and CCI I'm using the 16, and style is 2px. Okay, and the MACD I always using the 24 fast period. Okay, style is 2px. Okay, now finding the result here, it's a clear win. And so let's find the another good moment. I took the trade here for above because there is the support line and there is the resistance line. So market is stuck in this area for some time, and the focus phase, the psychological line is it's in the above of this middle line, and it's the define the market is uptrend and it's running in the uppish area of the market. So it should be when the psychological trend line is on the middle line, so it should be reversal from here. So that's why I took the trade here for above. So let's see the result here, what happened. See, here is a win here in the profit. So find the another moment. I took the trade here for lower here because there is the some resistance line here. So it should be touch here and reversal from here, and this is CIA showing it's on overbought condition, so it should be reversal from here, and there is the downtrend, it's touch here, so it should be go down here. If cross happens, so I will be lose, but I'm sure here because there is the verified resistance, and it's some want to go some up, but it's go down again, so it should be reversal from here. So let's see the result, what happened. See, I all trade win here. I take the trade here because I need to catch the shadow, so I catch here because there is the some reversal and it's some go up, but if I take the trade here, so I did lose here, but I take the trade took the trade here, so that's why the market it's come some up, but I have a margin for my winning, so that's why I want to get the shadow candle shadow. I think it's enough for today, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.